Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into one of my favorite kind of projects, the we just got married and my husband has no place to put his stuff makeover. Yes, ladies, it's a real condition and it happens, but don't worry, I've got you. So step one was the primary bedroom closet, aka the shoebox sanctuary. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot has been cleaned out of this closet, but these boxes actually now have shoes in them. She had accumulated quite a collection of shoe boxes, empty ones and stacked ones. So we did a little bit of declutter therapy. Goodbye boxes, goodbye random bags of clothes, and hello to a little bit more space. I also reorganized a wardrobe by adding some storage shelves in the unit. And here's the result. Her wardrobe stayed upright where it belongs and just far more streamlined and functional. After folding a bunch of clothes that were here and deciding what was hers and what was his and doing the dresser drawers, we moved on to the upstairs closet just for him. All of this is donate. So the upstairs closet needed to be decluttered first, but before I could get to her husband's closet of his own, I had to fix a little bit of a situation. The rod at the top gave up, and it retired and said, "Not today." So I brought it back to life, screwing the rack into the studs in the wall. You see all the office supplies on the other two shelves? Those have to be completely removed and then added back once she decides what she wants to keep. So I created a dedicated space for his clothes and organized all the office supplies because yes, this closet now doubles as a mini Staples store, which is an office supply store in the US. He now has a functional closet. Next up, the laundry shelves, a busy little ecosystem of everything. I cleared the shelves and went through each item and created an organized sections and removed anything that was just taking up space. This side shelf was a collection of tea bags. The result? A laundry room that finally feels simple, calm, and easy to use. Now it is time to reset the master bathroom, the vanity, the shelves, and all the items that needed a proper home. The goal here was to create a real space for her husband to settle in. I added new containers on this shelf to reorganize everything. She also did a great job of telling me what she wanted to keep and what she no longer needed in the bathroom. On to the bathroom vanity. The husband is going to get half of the drawers in the vanity. As I cleaned out each drawer, I put it in a separate container and she went through it in the master bedroom. Once she let me know everything she wanted to keep, I added containers and started organizing. I organized with like items by like items. This was a great step towards creating a balanced, shared space. Then I tackled the cabinets underneath each sink. I returned to this home a second day where we ventured up into the bonus bedroom, where the boxes live, all the boxes. The goal here was for her to go through every box to see what she wanted to keep, donate, or trash. She did this on the bed, and as each box was done, I moved it over to the other side of the room. Those blinds are going to be eventually installed on a window downstairs. So we consolidated, sorted, labeled, donated, and trashed. So after spending 2 days in this home, this is all the trash that was taken out of the house. And this is the van full of donation on the second day. And because I love a transformation inside and out, I took the party outdoors. I power washed the driveway, the sidewalk, the side brick wall, and the back patio. It had never been power washed before. She had no idea that these round cement stones in the backyard were actually white. So let's recap: the bedroom closet decluttered, upstairs closet rebuilt and organized, laundry room reset, bathroom vanity and shelves transformed, bonus room boxes conquered, and house exterior sparkling. Total haul: over 25 bags of trash and 2 full loads to donate. But best of all, we made room for her new husband to actually live in the house and not just perch on the corner on the bed. If you love this makeover, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what space in your home could use a little newlywed reset. Thanks for watching, and remember, your house doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be you. See you on the next one.